This is a really nice, well-made suitcase from Sindermore. It's a nice 20-inch carry-on luggage that's very well made. I love the features they added, like the soft handle that collapses nice and soft. Each corner is nice and protected. It has a luggage handle, but it's in a rectangle shape, so it gives you more stability and support versus a round one. I just love the overall look of this. It's really nice. The wheels are compact but moves very nice and also supported and reinforced. Side handle also does the same thing. Nice soft close. And then you also have your bumpers here, so whenever you're placing your suitcase down, it's nice and quiet. As you can see, this is a nice secure lock here. You have a key and your combination, and you simply just open, unlatch, and from inside you can see it's very nice. You have a section for all your clothes. Everything's very nice and well made. As you can see, you have little organized sections for your undergarments, your socks. You have these little quick release so you can get more organized. This right here has a nice open pocket. You can also undo this, and this is where you'll put your clothes or electronics. Overall, I love the quality of this. I love the look. I love the aluminum finish of this. It's really beautiful. And look at this locking system. It's really well made. And you get a very good snap, good seal here. But overall, having aluminum gives you a really high-end polished look. It's very light, very durable. Even the hinges are nice and reinforced.